Be loyal, be humble. No money, no trouble. Oh baby, no fumble. I love you, she know you. No money, they open. I'm feeling your hustle with everything you do. At the end of the day.
Hey guys, it is iGloriaaa back with another video. Today's video I decided to do a colorful makeup, look to match the scarf that I have rocked over here. I kind of like this. I know that Dima Ume, she does a lot of these videos and stuff, so I was like, hey, why not? I have a couple of turbans, why don't I go ahead and do a colorful look for you guys on my channel. So
exclusive to coffeebase.com.
POPPINNN.com. POPPINNN.com.
Exclusive to ScarfyBase.com.
Guys, this right here is probably the best. When I say the best edge control that I have used, this is Style Factor Edge Booster. I got this for $10.99 at my closest beauty supply store, and I also got it with this brush right here. I sound like a typical YouTuber, but you get what I'm saying. This brush. It's like that, but this brush right here, I forgot how much this was, but it's cheap because it's in the front. But I would definitely recommend getting this for my 4C hair girls. Listen, my edges are laid. It passes the test, all right? But yeah, this is definitely the look. I really enjoyed this. If you like videos like this, definitely let me know down below. And one of my goals for the summer is to definitely reach 1,000 subscribers, so it would mean a lot to me if you guys could subscribe to my channel. And yeah, let's try to hit 1,000 subscribers before the summer ends. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please do not, please, I'm talking, please do not forget to comment, like, and subscribe. I was talking really fast. Once again, if you want more colorful looks like this, I tried. Okay, I tried on this look. All right. Yeah, just, you know, I'll come with those videos. And look, you see the videos over here? Here. Click something, you know, interact with me. And let's get this channel popping. So yeah, shout out to y'all. And
End of the day, you know I love you. Nobody find past you. Nobody find past you. Nobody find past you. Oh baby, no take a